Hello, good day, and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 54. Aestivation is a behavioral activity in A. Birds, B. Cats, C. Horses, D. Monkeys, and E. Insects. Now, aestivation is a behavioral activity that is actually carried out by some organisms during the hot or hot dry season. Aestivation is the opposite of hibernation. It is the opposite of hibernation. Hibernation is done during the cold season. But for aestivation, the animals or organisms spend the hot dry season in a sleep like or torpid state. That is, these animals they go into a sleep-like state or a torpid state. They become inactive during this hot dry season. The animals go into an inactive state. That is aestivation. It is the opposite of hibernation. During hibernation, the animal goes into inactive state during cold season. But in aestivation, it is during hot dry season. And aestivation is mostly a behavioral activities of insects, snakes, toads, and rodents. So they go into a sleep-like state or torpid state or inactive state during hot dry season. Now from the options here, we see that option E, insect, is part of the organisms I listed that undergoes aestivation. So the answer to this question is insect. The insect is an animal or organism that undergo aestivation during hot dry season. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.